who's he talking to? And I was right, that's who he was talking to. So I wrote down what they were saying, and this is how it went, Dad and the Lord's conversation. Oh my God, I'm his soul. I hear you calling, calling out
You don't mind
my
the right,
name.
stay down.
Oh, I hear you calling like a whisper in the rain. Is my time before me, or is this just a sign? Dear Lord, I adore you. You choose the time that's fine. Dear son, your time is now. You'll live forevermore. I'm sending you an angel to guide you to my door. You showed me that you love me. You showed me so much more. That's why I'm sending you an angel to guide you to my door. When the angel guides me, will they teach me how to fly? The angel will prepare you. You really didn't die. The angel will prepare you. The rest is up to you. Just continue praying. You'll know what to do. Dear Lord, thank you for showing me the way, sending me that angel to guide me on my way. Dear Lord, I heard you calling, calling out my name. Dear Lord, I heard you calling like a whisper in the rain. Thank you.
Beautiful.